This is Forza 13, Australian Oceania Channel for Thursday the 7th of May. Severe weather warning is in place for South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria, and we start off with the snowy mountains, ACT. Vigorous alpine winds today with the passage of another cold front. A weakening front forecast to sweep over the southern part of New South Wales, the ACT today. Vigorous northwesterly winds over the alpine region expected to ease overnight or early Friday morning as the front moves away above 1900 metres, damaging winds averaging 70 to 80 kilometres an hour with peak gusts in excess of 120 kilometres an hour expected from late morning or early afternoon on Thursday. Between 1700 and 1900 metres, damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible from late this morning or early afternoon. Winds expected to ease by early Friday morning. Locations which may be affected: Perisher Valley, Charlotte Pass, Fred Bay and Mount Ganini. Bureau of Meteorology South Australia also has a severe weather warning, and it's for the Adelaide Metropolitan, Mount Lofty Ranges, the Flinders, Mid-North, Kangaroo Island, Murraylands, the upper south, lower south-east parts of the eastern Eyre Peninsula, Yorke Peninsula and the Riverland districts. Locally damaging winds about the central and eastern districts, contracting east but continuing about the southern coastal districts during today. And Victoria has a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the central, southwest, north central parts of the East Gippsland, northeast west, South Gippsland, Wimmera forecast districts. Strong, squally northerly winds today. Cold front will enter the southwestern Victoria later this morning before sliding southeastward during the afternoon and evening. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 105 kilometres an hour expected in the west of the warning area at first before extending eastward during the morning. Elevated areas above the 300 metres with the warning area are considered most likely to experience the damaging gusts, but they are possible elsewhere within the warning area. Alpine areas above the 1200 metres mark in the east of the state could see peak gusts of 110 to 120 kilometres an hour early this morning. Early this afternoon. Winds expected to ease over the southwest late morning and over the Melbourne area by mid-afternoon and eastern areas overnight. Locations which may be affected: Warrnambool, Maryborough, Ballarat, Geelong, Melbourne, Bacchus Marsh, and the highest wind gusts recorded 115 kilometres an hour, 3:09 a.m. Mount William, and Ben Nevis at 82 kilometres an hour around 3:56 a.m. this morning. Now we have a look at what's going on at the 850 millibars level, and we look at the GFS wind probability model from 7 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Now what's going on in the capital cities? Current temperatures at the time of doing this update: 14.1 Sydney, 18 Melbourne, 18.2 Brisbane, 10.9 Perth, 16.8 Adelaide, 11.1 down there in Hobart, Canberra 7.6 and Darwin 25.7. Mostly sunny in Sydney, partly cloudy Melbourne, possible shower Brisbane, shower or two developing Perth, shower or two windy Adelaide, cloudy Hobart, mostly sunny in Canberra and sunny in Darwin. And we have a look at the Bureau's total forecasts of rain. And the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and quite a bit of area in brown, west coast of Tasmania, and look at the area in green. And it's also a tropical low up to the north of the Cocos-Keeling Island. We're keeping an eye on that, but at this point in time it is struggling.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.